So, all right. So now we're up live. So let's start back over again. So we want to introduce you to Project Exodus 10,000. We're glad that you're making. I'm your host for the night, Mahdi. And we're going to go over this massive opportunity that we have with a global blockchain bank, decentralized, called Gold Standard Bank. But we have our own blockchain, we have our own metaverse, we have all of that, and we're going to go over this with you right now. That's what you have been invited to. So hold on, let me get this up and running. So we're going to go over this right now. So I'm your host for the day. I've been inside of the cryptocurrency space for going on 6 years. I've been financially free, being a network marketer, being a crypto investor, a crypto enthusiast, a crypto teacher, and a banking expert as well in this decentralized world called the blockchain. Going on 5 years full time. In January, haven't worked a job, haven't received a paycheck. So you're listening to somebody that does this full time. You're listening to somebody that is already financially free, where I hope the majority of us really want to get. And we just have a method that's proven to get you there. Now, we want to welcome you to our community, Gold Standard Bank Partners. When you become a Gold Standard Bank partner, you become a partner to Gold Standard Bank. Yes, and it's literally a partnership. Here's the disclaimer. This is a independent presentation. I'm an independent partner. So some of the stuff that I say, it will be in line with the company, but I'm not liable if I make a mistake, or the company is not liable if I make a mistake, just to give you the disclaimer, because we're dealing in banking, assets, investments, money, economy. We can't give out any guarantees. All right. So we got to do that. Then we want to let you know about our licenses, because we have people all the time saying they're doing research. They're doing research, but I don't know how you're going to research a blockchain unless you get the information from us. There's no other way to do it. That is just an actual fact. We got all our licenses. That's why I'm streaming on YouTube. That's why we on Facebook. The chairman of the board is on Facebook. The CTO, the chief technical officer, who we're going to talk about a little later. We doing business in 150 countries. If D-Rock was on here, our global leader who was in the UK, he in the UK. We doing business in 150 plus countries. So that research done. We're showing it to you, right? Research done. We got the license to do what we're doing. All right. So here are the two men that you need to know about, who are not hired anywhere, who are not, they have a face, and we meet with them like twice a month. We didn't already seen Mr. Hype and Alex like twice this month already, right? On the 1st and on the 16th, we already met with him. So Mr. Hyde is the visionary. He's the financer of the ecosystem. He's the one who envisioned this digital world paying out real world that's attached to real world assets. And he is thinking about us. He's thinking about the people that don't have a lot of money, because he was born in a family that didn't have a lot of money, but he's a self-made billionaire. Before you and I heard his name, he already was worth over $1 billion, $1 billion. He was already worth that. All right. Then his chief technical officer, the blockchain developer, the developer of our metaverse, the software developer, Mr. Alexander Cochindo, who is absolutely brilliant, and his tech team, in my humble opinion, I think is the best blockchain tech team on the planet. So let's just give a quick history about Bitcoin. Bitcoin traded, the first cryptocurrency in the world, came out trading in 2009 for about 3/10 of a penny, meaning for 1 penny, 1 red penny, you could have got 3 whole Bitcoins. Back in November of last year, Bitcoin went to almost $69,000 per coin. Right now it's at about 22,000. If you would have helped it to Bitcoin was at $23,000, $132.18. The earnings that you would have had out of interest on the coin that you would have had would have been over 174,000%. Can you imagine getting that type of interest on your money? Can you imagine that? Can you imagine getting that type of return on an asset? Well, that's cryptocurrency. But we have an ecosystem. We just told you about that because we can't talk about crypto without really talking about Bitcoin. We just got to show you the dynamic of crypto. And Bitcoin gives us the best example to do that because it's the most successful. Now, we have our own cryptocurrency coin called the G999. We also have a coin called the Lydian Stater. We also have a coin called the G Euro. The G999 coin is the official currency to, is the gas to the whole entire ecosystem. Everything runs through the G999 blockchain. All right. Then we have the Lydian Stater. The Lydian Stater is the official currency of our metaverse Lydian world, meaning to buy NFTs, to do stuff in Lydian world, you need Lydian Staters. All right. That coin is trading for about $80 and $90 right now as we speak. All right. Then we have the G Euro. The G Euro is our stable coin, is our first stable coin. We got about 2 more coming. All right. But as of right now, that's our first stable coin, and it's paired to the euro. It's paired to the fiat currency, the euro. All right. So our profits can be stabilized in our ecosystem. So you want to know more about this ecosystem, please go to our white paper. Go to our website and download our white paper at g999main.net. Here go your research. Go here and do your research, because that's the only place you can go. All right. Now, GS Partners, our gold standard partners, was created to solve some global problems. Our goal is to solve these problems, 3 of them. People want to know how they can make more money. We got that. People want to know how they can save more money that they're making. We have that too. And people want to know how can they grow their savings or get interest on their money so they can live a freedom lifestyle. Passive residual dividend income. We have that too. So we're solving these problems right here. So 95% of people try to save and grow their money using traditional methods that just don't work. First way that we need to get out of our mind and never think about doing it again is having a savings account, where your savings account average return is generating about 0.01%, and that's being nice. It's really, the average is really about 0.006%. So saving account don't work. You got the 401k. Well, that only works if the stock market is up, but you're not in control on what stock is, who has the money. You got to go through a lot of stuff to pull it. It's tax heavy, and you get penalized by the company for pulling your money out of a 401k. And it takes you a couple of years before you even had the opportunity to pull anything out. All right. Not a good look, but it's only generating 5 to 8% a year. Not a week, not a month, a year. All right. Then we got bonds. I don't think it's a great time to be investing in debt right now. All right. Because you might don't want to get caught holding that paper, because a bond is just paper of a debt. But it's only generating maybe about 5 to 7% yearly. Not weekly, not daily, not monthly. That's a year. All right. Then we have stocks. Investing in stocks, it could be good if you get I say it'd be good to invest in stock if you can get a stock when it's at its IPO stage. Or if you already have a lot of money and then they fail, they drop, and you can go and buy a bunch of them up at one time. However, that's a highly regulated market. You need a broker, right? And the government will know that you have these stocks. So you will not get around paying capital gains if you sell some of your stocks at a profit. That's a fact. But hey, that's still only generating about 10 to 15% per year. Now, what we do in understanding the way we teach crypto and the way we see cryptocurrency, you just need to understand 2 terminology: principal and interest. We're going to show you how to take principal and get interest on it, and how to compound this interest. This is what we finna show you. That's all we finna show you. It's nothing. It is literally that simple. That's what we finna show you. Because decentralized banking puts us in control, and traditional banking don't. So GS Partners were created with the intention of providing opportunity for growth and improvement, a personal well-being through the diversification of opportunities, collaboration with leading strategic partners. Just to sum up what a blockchain is, for those that don't know, blockchain is a shared, immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions and tracking assets in a business network. We have that. Then we have the partnership. Now, what we finna show you about our Meta portfolio and our Meta brokers account, that's in partnership with tech provider, brokerage firm, BD Swiss. And we have now launched the world's first metaverse blockchain asset brokerage, our portfolio account. We the first to do that. So it might don't look like that at first, but just wait till everybody get whiff of what we're doing. When millions of people come in, the GS partners in Lydian world, just wait. We just probably a couple months, a year maybe away from exponential growth and people understanding that Gold Standard Bank is a household name. Lydian world, the top metaverse in the world. Literally, right now is the top metaverse. We attract mega stars. We got FardMoney Mayweather as a brand ambassador. And he's going to tell you and show you Lydian World and BD Swiss. Check them out.
We're in Dubai right now. Something small, but some big money. Check it out as you can see. I have to display it to the world because they pay. You pay and we play. Check it out. In total, we have 10 Cullinan trucks, but we're promoting, I think 4. We're showing out a little bit. Something small, but the pay is big. Everything I do is big. Actually, this is where I'm staying at. The tallest building in the world, but I'm gonna say the biggest building in the world. We're doing small things for a big price. Check it out. Check it out, check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, check it out, check it out. And yes, I'm going to push this company on you. They pay. And when they pay, I play. Money made, you know the rest.
Money made, you know the rest. So this is Money Mayweather, Brandon BD Swiss, Brandon Lydian World, and he told you out his mouth they pay. We're going to show you how they pay. Now, the new digital era is here. Metaverse with meta mining. Now we are introducing to the world something called metaverse finance, MetaFi. And our metaverse finance will literally, the people in our metaverse, everybody's getting paid every day. Multiple different kind of ways, multiple different cryptocurrencies. All right, metaverse with meta mining, meta trading, meta brokerage, meta estate city developments, NFTs, meta markets, meta gaming, and so much more. Most people have heard of cryptocurrency and blockchain, but don't really understand how it could benefit them until now. GS Partners makes it simple, featuring fintech and innovators, aligned celebrities, and giants from different industries, such as top 3 world broker, BD Swiss, boxing world champion Floyd Mayweather, football league, Roberto Carlos, and many, many more. So we want to show you Lydian World so you can explore, learn, and have fun. So check out this video real quick. Guess I can't play this video. All right, so I'm gonna have to go past that, so don't worry. That video is not playing. All right, so Lydian World. Lydian World is the metaverse. This is where you explore, learn, and have fun. Asset trading with leverage, high leverage on crypto trading, artwork, NFT creation, transparent digital banking. We're going to talk about that. Digital asset, authentication and distribution, metaverse certificates for metaverse, meta miners and trading possibilities. Think of monopoly over the blockchain for real money. Acquire own citizens in Lydian World to collect the shares in your country's crypto assets and resources for life. So in Lydian World, you got multiple positions. You can be the president all the way down to the man. You can also be a citizen. So right here, you see, I have 127 world positions. 2 of those are governor NFTs. I'm the governor of Trinidad. I'm the governor of Trinidad and Guinea in Africa. All right. And you can see also that I have over 25 certificates. All right. 26 of them to be exact. I got to update this. All right. So what we're going to show you from our digital banking and our savings, what you can get from our metaverse certificates. You can get up to 4.15% per week on certificate price. That is up to 300% return our rewards over 18 months. Each contract is a contract for 18 months. One metaverse certificate, multiple income opportunities. This will be handled by Meta Brokerage managed account. Live monitoring and updates of your metaverse brokerage portfolio, multiple blockchain market exposure, regulated environment. Then we got meta trading. That's coming soon. Then we have meta mining. That's already here, where you can get high APYs of passive income in our Lydian state of cryptocurrency coin. All right, now let's talk about these certificates. Here's 8 of these certificates, starting at as high as $100 with a $200,000 load, going all the way down to $250 with a $250 load, $500. So these certificates work with 2 dynamics that pay out. Let's talk about it. Hermes, you're dealing with 2 different dynamics. So you're always going to deal with the price of the certificate and the max load, which we call the deposit. Okay. So Hermes, the price is $1,000 to get the ticket, but to get the certificate, but to activate it, you need another $1,000. So to get this started, you out of pocket $2,000. You haven't spent anything though. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. You literally haven't spent one penny of this. All right. So the Hermes has price and load 1,000. So once the 1,000, the mega portfolio max load of 1,000 is achieved, it unlocks a bonus of 4,500, where you get some meta mining bonus, some meta trading bonus, in your meta portfolio bonus starts. All right, that's off the price of the certificate. So the meta portfolio is, remember I said 2 dynamic, right? So it's really like 2 income streams inside of this one certificate. So from your meta portfolio, that is a 6% monthly payout, but it's paid out quarterly. So your account is working every month, but you won't be able to reap the rewards and do anything with the rewards until till every 3 months. So with an 18-month certificate, you can get rewards every 3 months. What is that? That is 6 times out of the 18 months you will receive big rewards. And it's depending on you what you do with them. Then you have the price of the certificate, another, that 1,000, that is paying out weekly at 4.15% on price of $1,000 of certificate. So what's 4.15%? What is that if you divide that into 1,000? Well, if you divide that into about 1,000, that is $41.50. And it can go up and down. That's the Hermes. That's how it works. That's the Hermes. And it can go up and down. However, your weekly rewards, you can compound them into your portfolio. So your portfolio can steadily be going up each week. Each week, this thing ain't no joke. Then we got the Herrera. This certificate is $25,000 price, $35,000 load. Work the same way. But this one here is paying out, what's it paying out daily? This one here is paying out $400. No, this one here is paying out $1,000. This is the third biggest one we got. This one here paying out over $1,000 a week. but you've been out of pocket $60,000, and the max load money you get back. You get back. So with this one, you got a portfolio bonus of $37,500 and $500, which is generating at 6% per month paid out quarterly. The $25,000 is generating a 4.15% weekly. Those are the two dynamics. Then we got the biggest one I'm involved, Zeus. Zeus is $1,000 price and a $200,000 max load. So when you max the load on the Zeus, yes, you got 4.15% coming back off of the 1,000, but you got 200,000 in the max load, and then you get a big bonus. So your meta portfolio is 300,000. It's 300,000, which is going to generate you 6% monthly, but paid out quarterly. 6% monthly, but paid out quarterly. And the 100,000 is going to generate 4.15% per week payout straight to your wallet. That is about what? $4,150. All right. So we have this opportunity, and we want to let you know when you come in and Gold Standard Bank, you are in control. We have a simple game plan for the person that say you ain't got 500, you ain't got 1,000, you ain't got 2,000, you ain't got 10,000, 20,000. You don't have that. Don't worry. We got a referral plan that's $33 a month, but you can pay for it monthly, quarterly, or yearly. And you can get paid up to 8 different ways from 5 cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Tether, G Euro, and the G999 coin. Wow. You can get paid from this 8 different ways you can get paid. Then we had the most flexible crypto card on the planet called the GS Lifestyle Card, where you can order this card, travel with this card. It has a foreign exchange on there. The limit is the limits on these cards are just outstanding, and what you can get out of an ATM, and what you can get out of ATM, and what you can spend on the store. I mean, it's just flat out amazing. Take a look.
Introducing the most flexible crypto card in the world. 5 traditional currency accounts, including USD, GPB, EUR, CNY, and JPY. Currency exchange rates better than high street banks. Manage all your crypto and traditional currencies with one simple platform. Add funds to your account via bank transfer, credit and debit card, or crypto proceeds. Spend or withdraw your funds anywhere credit and debit cards are accepted. Exclusive plastic, aluminum, stainless steel, gold-plated, and solid gold cards available. 24/7 global support in multi-languages. 24/7 professional concierge services. Up to 40% discounts on hotel and travel. Instant rewards from high street retailers. Fast delivery to over 100 countries. Order your GS Lifestyle Card today.
So that gets you in the door, family. We got a 3-step process. Give it to the person that shared this with you. If you're watching on our YouTube channel, please give it to the person that shared this with you. Or there's some information in there where you can text the number 10 and the letter K to 833-549-2079. That is 833-549-2079. And you can get some information so you can come into the metaverse and you can experience our lucrative metaverse finance opportunity. But if you're a guest on our Zoom, please stay to the end of this, because we finna have a quick Q&A, and then we will be right back. But after the video, YouTube, we're gonna cut the stream. Thank you for tuning in.